kind of stuff.
Okay.
I don't know how much they pay though. For what? But let me help Frankie with this real quick.
Yeah. Taking off. Holy shit, it feels much faster today.
You're good, just go. It's moving. It is moving. Looks like you need a little up trim. But does that change when the gear goes up?
Yeah, it does.
I'll take a burger. Burger or hot dog, Frank?
Burger.
Burger. Don't stress about the power, you're fine. Okay. I know. It looks good so far.
Is this me?
No, it's just he's been tweaking with it.
Clear. Looks great.
Yeah. Just keep that throttle up.
It's that blue and blends into the sky.
Yeah. Sky camo, that's what they call it that.
Yeah, this feels much nicer.
Sheesh.
Runway's clear. Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Looks better. Got that wall of clouds moving in.
See what happens when the gear goes down.
Temperature 72.
I saw it pitch up,
Yeah, it pitches up a little bit.
but that's manageable. That's actually good.
Practice.
Flight pack notated.
There you go. That's the attitude right there. There you go.
I'm getting. Yeah.
Yeah, just wait a little bit.
Oh, that's fine. I'll just chill.
4.3 volts. Flight pack 44.
The wind is perfect right now too.
43.8 volts. Flight pack 44.5 volts.
There you go. There you go. Little throttle. That's it. There you go. My only suggestion is as soon as you see it start to slow a little bit,
Yeah.
give it throttle because it'll stay in that position.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah.
No, it definitely felt different this
It's
time.
better.
It
It's
felt
better.
Like I felt like I had control.
Yeah.
I also moved the CG back.
There you go.
So I was just like, it
Yeah.
definitely felt much better.
Good. That was good.
I could go a lot. Oh yeah, this is good. Now I'm having fun.
Good. Now fly with some throttle next
I
time.
know. Now I'm having fun. Because even the landing, bringing it in was just like,
And
nope, I got
Yeah.
it. I got it. Oh yeah. So I was flying it a little too nose heavy.
before.
Yeah,
Okay.
I put it, I went right all the way.
Dude, it's just rolling. My God.
It is.
Cool.
I got all of that on video.
Yeah, you did.
Dude, I'm gonna open it up next time. It's got a ton.